in all of our sins from the daylight.